Hello. In this video, we're gonna see how we can create a GitHub repository and link it via SSH to our MacBook or Linux laptop, so we can pull and push code to this GitHub repository. So in this video, I will start with the Mac configuration, but the same thing should be done also for Linux. For instance, if you have, I have written an article in here that has all of these steps, and we're gonna use all of these steps to configure everything and set up our first repo under GitHub. Okay, I've opened a terminal. In the right side in here, the left side I have the commands that are discussed and run. So first thing is to create our SSH key. This is the command that you should run. This should work on all the environments. It's using the RSA encryption to do this. So let's go and create the SSH key and put our email in there. Put my email. Okay, like this. So right now the key is created. It will ask us the path, so I will use the full path. That is SSH and RSA. Passphrase, I will not use any passphrase for this. Okay, so right now we have the key created. So if we check the location, we should have the keys in here. We have the IDRSA and IDRSA hub keys created. So the keys are created right now. The next thing is to go and add these keys to the GitHub. I open GitHub in here. In here I have my repos. To add the keys, we need to go to settings. And in here we have SSH and GPG keys. And in here we hit a new SSH key. I will put a name in here. Then I will go and we'll need to cut the public key and paste it in there. Okay, this is the public key. Let's copy this output. And let's go and paste it in here. Okay, so right now I have the key added, so my laptop should be linked to GitHub. Next, we're gonna go and create a repository for this. So let's go create a repository and then put something in it and push it to GitHub. So, okay, let's go create a repository. I will go back and here you have the new. I'll create a test repo. I will do a description and I'll make it private. I will create a repo. So, right now the repository is created. We need to go and link it to our laptop, so we can do modification in here and push that back to GitHub when we want. So to do that, I put the articles in here. The steps. Let's create a directory where we will have the repo, test repo. Okay. Then we're gonna need to use Git. I will install it first. I don't think it's installed on this laptop. Let's see. You have here the commands to install it for Mac or for Ubuntu. And then we can initiate the repository and do our first modification in it. Let's wait for this to finish. And then we can go to the folder and do the initiate of the Git repository. Okay, so right now, okay, let's look in it. This will initiate an empty repository. Here it will load up this folder. It's like a Git. Okay, first I will create a README file in here. So to get something that we're gonna push it. Okay, so right now I have created the README file and it has this message. That's the repo for Windows. Next thing, we need to add this file to the repo. Git had with a dot in the root. it will add everything that was changed, not only these files. But right now we'll modify one file, then we're gonna do a commit to add these changes to the repo. Merge them. You see here our file, change one file was inserted. We'll put a branch as the main. Okay, and then we'll add the remote origin to this path. Basically, this is will tell this local folder what repository will be used. So I'll copy it from here. Okay, right now it's added. Then we're gonna push these changes to the repo, and we should have the README files into this repo on GitHub. So right now it has connected to the repository on GitHub and it pushed our README files in there. So let's go and see what we have in here. It's the private repo. So you have only the README file. Without the SSH key that we've created, this wouldn't have been possible to push it. So right now, every time, for instance, we want to close this repo, let's go and I will show you. For instance, I will connect another directory in here, repos, let's say I want to get the latest code from here in case there are other developers that are pushing in here. You can go in here and look clone, for instance, SSH, do this, and to just do a clone. Okay, we need to go into the repos because we didn't do that. And right now we do the git clone. So, like this, you're fetching the existing repository if you want, and right there you'll see that we have the test repo here in the repos. It has the same file. In this way, you are linking your GitHub account with SSH key to your laptop, and you create a first private repository. And also, you can fetch an existing repository after that. Thanks for watching this video. In case you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Have a nice day.